Is the future of humanity about to be sold off to the highest bidder on the New York Stock Exchange? With the official word that Anthropic has confidentially filed with the SEC to go public, we are staring down the barrel of one of the most consequential financial events of the decade. Before we continue, if you want to stay on top of everything happening in U.S. politics, hit that subscribe button right now and leave a like. It really helps this channel grow. Anthropic, the AI powerhouse founded by former OpenAI employees and known for its focus on safety-conscious models, has finally tipped its hand. This confidential filing means that the gears of the machine are already in motion. We are talking about an IPO that isn't just a financial play. It is a massive chess piece in the global race for AI supremacy. Anthropic has spent years positioning itself as the ethical alternative to the industry giants, promising a more rigorous approach to safety and alignment. Now, they are inviting the public markets into that equation. When a company of this scale goes public, the pressure shifts. It's no longer just about research and safety benchmarks. It's about quarterly earnings, growth metrics, and investor demands. This is where the story gets complicated. For Washington, this is a massive red flag and a green light at the same time. On one hand, U.S. lawmakers are desperate to see American companies beat out foreign rivals, specifically China in the AI sector. A successful Anthropic IPO signals that American innovation is still the gold standard. On the other hand, the sheer influence these companies hold over public discourse, employment, and critical infrastructure is keeping regulators up at night. Think about what this means for the broader political landscape. We have already seen intense scrutiny from the FTC and the Justice Department regarding how these AI firms are partnering with legacy tech giants. Anthropic has received massive funding from heavy hitters like Amazon and Google. An IPO provides an exit strategy for these stakeholders and brings new, potentially unpredictable dynamics into the boardroom. Are we looking at a future where the largest AI companies are beholden to institutional investors whose only priority is the bottom line? And if so, what happens to those safety-first promises when they clash with the need for explosive stock growth? The timing of this is also worth noting. We are in the middle of a massive regulatory push in Washington to figure out how to govern AI before it governs us. Whether it's data privacy, deepfake proliferation, or the displacement of the American workforce, the government is scrambling to catch up. By going public, Anthropic is essentially daring the regulators to intervene. They are embedding themselves deeper into the bedrock of the U.S. economy. Once you are a publicly traded company, you have a different level of protection and lobbying power. You aren't just a startup anymore. You're an economic interest that the political establishment has to protect. This isn't just a business move, it's a political statement. It's a message that the AI era has moved beyond the pilot phase and is now a central pillar of the American corporate empire. The question is whether our current political infrastructure is prepared to manage a reality where the most powerful tools in existence are driven by the unrelenting demands of the stock market. We are seeing a shift where the safety narrative might be traded for market share, and that is a transition that every citizen should be watching with a very skeptical eye. So what do you think about this? Do you believe Anthropic going public will actually make AI safer for the public? Or is this just the first step toward corporate greed taking over the most important technology in history? Drop your opinion in the comments below. I read every single one. The landscape is shifting beneath our feet, and the ripple effects of this IPO will be felt in every sector of our society for years to come. Stay tuned, because this story is moving fast, and we're going to be here to break down every single development as it unfolds. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and I will see you in the next one.